Good morning, grade 6.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, how
Good
are
morning.
you today?
I am fine.
Let's have a review first. Last week, we discussed about repeated short division. And when we say repeated short division, when we are solving for these numbers, we start to write with the smallest prime number, which is usually 2, until we get a prime number as a quotient. So we have example here. Example 1, find the factors of 56 using repeated short division. We have some steps to follow. So step A, we divide 56 by the smallest prime number, which is 2. And then our answer is 56. Step B, continue to divide by the smallest prime number. So we will divide again the quotient 28 divided by 2 as the smallest prime number. Next, step C, divide until the last quotient is a prime number. So 28 divided by 2 is equals to 14, and 14 divided by 2 is equals to 7. So is 7 a prime number or no? Yes, right? Because the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. It only have 2 factors, meaning 7 is a prime number. Next, step D, multiply all divisors by the quotient. So we have the divisors here, which is 2, 2, 2, and then the quotient is 7. So we will write it as 56 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 7, or 2 raised to the power of 3 times 7. Our topic for this week is all about highest common factor. So before that, we have 5 vocabularies here. And please listen properly. I will read this 2 times again. And then after that, I will call some students to read. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, so please listen. 1, factors. 2, common factor. 3, highest common factor. 4, divisible by. 5, greatest. I'll repeat. Number 1, factors. Number 2, common factor. Number 3, highest common factor. Number 4, divisible by. And number 5, greatest. So first, I will call Tengmu. Please read the vocabulary.
Factors, common factor, highest common factor, divisible by.
Very good. Number 5, greatest. Very good. Next, Tang.
Factor. Common factor.
Highest.
Highest common factor.
Divisible by.
Divisible by. Greatest.
Very good. Thank you for reading. Next, Jenny.
Factor, common factor, highest common factor, divisible
by. Okay.
by greatest.
Very good. Thank you, Jenny. Next, June.
Factor, common factor, highest common factor,
Divisible by.
divisible by
Greatest.
greatest.
Very good. Thank you, June. Next, Jan.
Factor, common factor, highest common factor, divisible by greatest.
Very good. Next, Kong Kwan.
Factor, common factor,
Highest
highest common factor.
Divisible by.
Divisible by
Greatest.
greatest.
Very good. Thank you. Next, O2.
Factor. Common factor. Highest common factor. Divisible by
Okay.
greatest.
Very good. Thank you for reading. Next, U.
Factor. Common factor. Highest common factor. Divisible by greatest.
Very good. Thank you. Next, Beam.
Factor, common factor, highest common
Highest.
factor, highest common factor, divisible by
Divisible by.
cluster, divisible by cluster,
Number 5, greatest.
gifted,
Okay, very good. Last one, Haru.
Factor. Common factor. Highest common factor. Number 4.
Divisible by.
Divisible by greatest.
Very good. Okay, so thank you for reading, Haru. So that's our vocabulary. Let's move on to our main topic, highest common factor, or we also call it as HCF. If we are finding the highest common factor, we have some steps to follow. So first, write down the factors or find the factors. Next, find out the common factors of the number, and the last part is to write the highest common factor or HCF. So we have here the meaning of HCF. So HCF or highest common factor is the greatest of the common factor, meaning if we say greatest, this is the biggest number in the common factor. Do you understand? Is that clear? Okay, next. For example, we have the numbers 12 and 30 here. Can you give me the factors of 12? We have 1. What else? 2. 3. 4. 6. And 12. Very good. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, next, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Next, common factors. How did we get the common factors of these two numbers? Common factors meaning the number that they have both, right? So can you see the numbers with a red color? So these are the common factors. So we have 1 here in 12 and we have also 1 in 30. So 1, 2, 3, and 6. Next, the highest common factor of 12 and 30 is 6. How did we get it? Choose what is the greatest number here in common factor. So we have 6. Do you understand? Okay, let's move on. So we have 3 methods of writing the factors of numbers. So first, we have the listing method. Do you still remember how to do the listing method? We use this method for smaller numbers. So what we did a while ago is what we call listing method. Do you understand? Okay, next, number 2, prime factorization method. So this one is our topic last week, the factor 3. And the last one is our topic last week, which is division method. We use the repeated short division. So next, we have an activity here. So it said, find the HCF of 18 and 24. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, and 9. Next, can you give me the factor of 24?
24 is 1,
1.
2,
Okay.
3,
3,
4,
6,
4. Very good.
6,
6,
8,
8,
12,
12, and
24.
so can you give me the common factors of 18 and 24?
1, 2, 3,
We have 1, 2.
2,
What else?
6,
We have
3.
one more before. Okay. 3. Very good. Next.
6,
6. Do we have more?
no,
No more, right? Now, give me the HCF or the highest common factor of 18 and 24. 6. Very good. Why 6? Why did you choose 6? Because
common factor out.
6 is the greatest in the common factor. So, do you understand the topic?
yes.
Okay, very good. Let's move on to your activity, page 49. Let's go to exercise 1. The instruction said, find the factors of the given numbers. Then find the common factor. So A, we have 6 and 12. 6 equals 1 times 6. Next, 6 equals, I will give you the first number. What will we multiply to 2 to get the number 6? 3. Very good. Okay. Next, these are the factors of 6. Let's go to 12. So 12 equals 1 times 12. Next, 2 times blank. What is the answer?
6,
6. Very good. And then 3 times blank equals 12. What is the answer?
4,
4,
4.
4,
The common factors of 6 and 12 are 1, blank, blank, and blank. So what are the 3 answers? Can you give me?
1, 2, 3, 6,
Very good. So 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, let's move on to letter B. We answered this a while ago. 18 and 24. Okay, so let's check for the answers. First, we have to get the factors of 18, which is 1, 2, 3, 9, and 18. Next, we will write the factors of 24, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. What are the common factors of 18 and 24? Can you give me the common factors?
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3. So we will write it like this. What are the common factors of 18 and 24? Can you give me the common factors?
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3. So we will write it like this. So let's go to the next letter. 36 and 48. Okay, let's move on to the answers. So can you give me the factors of 36? We have 1. What else?
we have 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
else?
6, 12,
Okay.
15, and 36.
What is the number before 12? 6. What's next to 6? We have 9. Very good. And then 12. What else? 18 and 36, right? Next, 48. Give me the factors of 48. 1,
2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 14, 15, 24,
and
48, and 20, and 48.
okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. Next, give me the common factors of 36 and 48. What are those numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12,
12. Very good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, if you're done, let's move on to page 50. Page 50, number 2. It says here that circle the numbers that are common factors of the given numbers. So letter A, the given numbers are 24 and 28. Okay, let's answer letter A. What are the two common factors of 24 and 28? We have
2 and
2 and
2 and 4.
4. Very good, Jenny and Tonkao. Next, B,
2 and 4.
3 and 84. What are the two common factors?
3 and 7.
3 and 7. Very good, Tonkao. Next, let's move on to number 3. Here are some numbers. 20, 32, 45, 54, 60, 64, and 66. Which of the numbers have letter A, 4 as a factor?
20,
20.
20,
Next, 32, 60, and 64. Next, letter B, which of the numbers have 5 as a factor?
20,
20 and
45,
45
60,
and 60. Very good. So next, letter C, 6 as a factor. For letter C, we have 3 numbers again. The first number is 54.
54, 60, and 66.
66. Very good. Next, which of the numbers have 4 and 5 as common factors?
20 and 60.
20 and 60. Very good. And letter E, which of the numbers have 4 and 6 as common factors? We only have one number.
60.
60. Very good. So that's it for our activity today, and we will continue again on Thursday, okay? So please read more in your book, and I'll see you again on Thursday for our math, okay? So goodbye for now.
Goodbye, teacher.